the stillness of dawn, I no longer turn away from the sun. I once thought its fire was meant to break me, but I have come to understand it was meant to reveal me. Every weight I carry, every drop drawn from my strength is not loss, but offering. I do not resist what burns, I stand within it. For I was not made to escape hardship, but to give meaning to it, to nurture, even when unseen, to endure, even when unpraised. This is my nature, this is my discipline, and so I remain steady, present, unshaken. If the sun must test me, then let it find me willing, not as a man consumed, but as one who has chosen to kiss the sun.
At the break of dawn I stand alone, where the quiet turns to gold. Feel the fire against my skin, not to break me but to mold every road that tested me. Left a mark I understand. There's a purpose in the heat, there's a fire in this man. I don't run from what I feel, I don't bend, I don't conceal. Every flame that reaches me shows me who I choose to be. I'm kissing the sun, I stand in the flame. No fear in the fire, no need for a name. Through all that I carry, I rise and I run with all that I am. I'm kissing the sun. Every drop of sweat I give is a seed I leave behind, for the ones who'll never see all the weight that shaped my mind. Not for praise and not for gain, I know what must be done. There is peace inside the pain when you face what you can. To the blaze, unafraid of what it takes. If it burns, then let it be. That's the cost of being free. I'm kissing the sun, I stand in the flame. No fear in the fire, no need for a name. Through all that I carry, I rise and I run with all that I am. I'm kissing the sun. Kissing the sun. kissing the sun.